I'm going to run your test today on a VIRTUS equipment A18-43. The reason I'm going to a little bit bigger size unit is because I have a 4mm screen in there, and as you bring down the screen size, you also have to bring down the throughput rate of the machine. So I brought the machine size up to the 180-430 because the screen size is going to be 4mm, and this will give you about 100 pounds of throughput an hour. I'm going to turn off the video and then start the machine and then run your material. In order to turn on the machines, it's very simple. Is once you press the reset button, it checks all the safeties, then just press the green button here and it starts the machine. I already have your first bag ready. I'm just going to dump in a whole bag at a time. With that, I'm going to open up the second bag now. And now I'll dump the second bag into the unit. Time to run through all this material. So it processes through down in here. So I'll let it process its way through, and then I'll restart the video and show you what it looks like. Here's your material. This took just a little bit over 8 minutes to process, and from the material on the thing, you said you're doing 10 pounds was what was delivered here. So it took 8 minutes to do 10 pounds of the material. So it's probably 80 pounds an hour, maybe a little more, maybe a little less, depending on how you throw it in. We didn't have an evacuation system, so there's nothing pulling it through. It was just a free drop. But if you put an evacuation system on it, it would come out a little bit faster. But here's your material. And it's no heat, nothing like that on it. So it's really easy time processing. And it is a much smaller flake. And again, we did this with a 4mm screen on the unit. So that's what we ran the unit at, 4mm screen. So I'm going to bag this up and then we'll UPS it to you for your review.